today we'll be doing a little cooking in the truck, what I like to call truck cuisine. And what I have planned today is beef a la jardinera, which means beef with vegetables made in a truck. Stay tuned. Here we go. I got here some of the seasoning, some of the vegetables, including broccoli and some carrots, whatever I got available in the fridge. I got some tomato paste, and of course the beef. Now let's show you how I do it in the truck cuisine. Let's go ahead and drop about half of it in here. Put it in these oven slow cooker bags, which work great with the slow cooker heater or stove, 12 volts of course. I keep it real simple. First off with a little salt. And of course, a little sazon. Those that don't know it, sazon is a conjuncture of different seasoning that us Latinos like to use a lot. It gives a nice little color and a little powwow taste. Mix it up a little bit. Another reason why I use these bags, it's very convenient and very clean to mix up or season your meat. Another life hack, these big paper clips work great for your packaging and storage. The corn and the string beans, I'll put it at the end because these tend to really get soft and mushy if I leave them from the beginning, because this is going to be about an hour and a half to 2 hours slow cooking. So I'll just leave these for the very end, but I will use the juice to water it up a little bit. So pretty much what it is, it's just a lunch box that gets up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 12 volts, so cook it nice and slow. very important that you guys try to seal it up as best as you can, like so. It's not to be perfect, but so it'll create that kind of seal. So it'll just cook up all inside. Like I said, this is a slow cooker, so we'll put a timer on it. It's gonna take a while for it to get up to heat once I plug it in. You close the lid. And like they say in that info commercial, you set it and forget it, at least for 2 hours. So this other meat, you can usually just put it back in the freezer, in the refrigerator, or if you want to freeze it, I recommend you season it first. So let's continue with seasoning the other portion of meat. There we go. That we can pop in the freezer and to the next meal. And for the rice, I use this instant rice. It's pre-cooked, so you can use it, cook it in the microwave, or you can boil it. Obviously, I don't have a stove, conventional stove, so I use a microwave option with what we call arrocera or rice cooker, but for microwave. It works for many other things, but I use it for rice. 3 cups of the rice, which needs the same amount of water. And of course, a little bit of salt. Okay, just put a little salt on our rice. Good thing about this cooker and this process, I use no oil. So very important to know. No oil will make it a little bit healthier. I'll give it about 6 minutes and be right back. There you go. 5-6 minutes rice, pre-cooked. Great option for truck and truck cuisine. Okay, time is up. Disconnect it. So there you have it. Beef a la jardinera. Here I might have for at least 4 portions with a little bit of rice. Amarillos or plantains maduros, which are sweet plantains. And separate these in portions for meals. easier to store, easier to just take out of the fridge, warm up and eat. And that's another trucking hack. Bon appetit.